Good morning, students. Welcome to the first video of the complex number. Before starting, first we start Brahmanad. शांति शांति शांति. Sustam. Today we are going to discuss a new chapter, that is complex number. Okay. So before starting complex number, first we take an equation and find its solution. Solve x square plus 1 equal to 0. So x square plus 1 equal to 0 means x square equal to minus 1. We know there is no real values of x, whereas x square equal to minus 1. There are no real values of x where x square equal to minus 1. That means x square plus 1 equal to 0, its solution is impossible for real solution. So, we solve such type of equation, we introduced a new number that is I. So what is I? I is called imaginary number. Its value I equal to root over minus 1. So I equal to root over minus 1, that means I square equal to what? Minus 1. Okay. So x square plus 1 equal to 0 means x square equal to minus 1, that is x equal to plus or minus root over minus 1. But root over minus 1 equal to I. So x equal to plus or minus I. So x square plus 1 equal to 0, its solution is x equal to I and minus I. These are the imaginary solution. There is no real solution where x square plus 1 equal to 0. So real solution is impossible in that case. Here imaginary solution, one is I and other is minus I. Or you take another example, number 2, solve x square plus 9 equal to 0. So x square plus 9 equal to 0 means x square equal to what? Minus 9. That is x equal to plus or minus root over minus 9. But root over minus 9 means plus or minus root 9 into root over minus 1, because minus 1 means minus 9 means root 9 into minus 1. So root 9 equal to 3, but root minus 1 equal to I. So this is plus or minus 3 into I. So x square plus 9 equal to 0, its solution is x equal to plus 3i and other is minus 3i. These are the two imaginary solution. Okay. Now, so I equal to root over minus 1. I equal to root over minus 1. This number is known as imaginary number. Suppose root over minus 2. So root over minus 2 means you can express root 2 into minus 1. Okay. So this is root 2 into root over minus 1. But root 2 into root minus 1 means I. And this is root 2i. Like that root over minus 3. So root minus 3 means root 3 into root over minus 1. So this is root 3 into root minus 1. So this is root 3 into I. Like that root minus 4. So root minus 4 means root 4 into root over minus 1. So root 4 means 2 and root minus 1 means I. And this is 2i. Okay. Similarly, root over minus 25. So root minus 25 means root 25 into root minus 1. So this is 5 into I, 5 into I, like that root minus 7. So root minus 7 means root 7 into root minus 1, and this is root 7 into I. Okay. So I is called imaginary number and its value is root or minus 1. I, 2I, 3I, 5I, root 2I, root 3I, these are all are also imaginary number. So any multiple of I is known as imaginary number. So what is imaginary number? Imaginary number are numbers where square is negative. So जो number square ta negative आसिबो, that number is known as imaginary number. Actually you know there is no real number whose square is negative, but there are some number whose square is negative. That number is called imaginary number, and this imaginary number is denoted by I equal to root over minus 1. Okay. Now next we see that what are the integral power of I. Integral power of I. Okay. So I equal to root over minus 1, but I square equal to minus 1. Okay, because if you are taking square, so I square equal to minus 1, and what will be I cube? So I cube equal to I square into I square equal to minus 1 into I, this is minus I. Then I fourth, so I fourth means I square square, and this is minus 1 to square equal to minus 1. So I fourth equal to 1, I fifth means you can express I 4 plus 1. So I to the power 4 into I to the power 1, I to the power 4 equal to 1, 1 into I equal to I. Okay. Next I sixth means you can express I 4 plus 2. So I to the power 4 plus 2 means I to the power 4 into I square. I fourth means 1 into I square means minus 1. So 1 into minus 1, this is minus 1. Then I7 means I to the power 4 plus 3. So I to the power 4 plus 3 means I to the power 4 into I cube, but I fourth equal to 1, I cube equal to what? Minus I cube equal to minus I. Then this is minus I. Next I to the power 8. I to the power 8 means I 4 square, and this is 1 square equal to 1. So I fourth equal to 1, then I eighth equal to 1, like that I to the power 12 is also 1. So if the power is a multiple of 4, because you know power of 1, any power of 1 is also 1. 1 रो power टा तुम जेते ना लेबी सेटा कोन हो 1 हो ना नहीं, जेतु n टा जदि 4 रो मल्टीपल हो, n टा जदि 4 रो मल्टीपल हो, then this is 1. Okay. So I to the power 4 equal to 1. That means I to the power 4 to the power n equal to 1 to the power n equal to 1. That means I to the power 4n is equal to 1. Okay, for all n belongs to capital N. And you know any number, since I fourth equal to 1, I square equal to minus 1, I cube equal to minus I, any number are divided by 4, then the remainder may be 0, 1, 2 or 3. जेहेतु I fourth टा 1 होची, तेनो I रो पावाटा जेते हेले भी तमे सेठी कोन करियो 4 डिवाइड करियो. Any number are divided by 4, the remainder will be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. If remainder is 0, then that number must be divisible by 4. ना नहीं, so divisible by 4 means सेटा value ला कोन हो 1 हो, काहेकि I रो पावर टा जदि 4 मल्टीपल हो, then this is 1. जदि 4 मल्टीपल न होइकरी तमर रिमाइंडर टा 1 आसियो, रिमाइंडर टा 1 means देखो this number may be 4n or 4n plus 1 or 4n plus 2 or 4n plus 3. Any number are divided by 4, the remainder may be 0 or 1 or 2 or 3. जे कोनो संख्या को 4 द्वारा डिवाइड करले रिमाइंडर टा 0 हो पारिबो किंबा 1 हो पारिबो किंबा 2 हो पारिबो किंबा 3 हो पारिबो. जेतल रिमाइंडर टा 0 होबो that number may be 4n. If remainder is 1, that number must be 4n plus 1. से संख्या टा कोन होतियो 4n plus 1 लिखा हो. रिमाइंडरटा 2 हेले संख्याटा कौन हो 4n + 2 लिखा रिमाइंडरटा 3 हो बोले नंबरटा कौन हम 4n + 3 सो I to the power 4n I to the power 4n equal to 1 I to the power 4n plus 1 means I to the power 4n into I to the power 1 and this is I to the power 4n means 1 into I equal to I to the power 4n plus 2 this is I to the power 4n into I square I to the power 4n 1 I square means -1 okay then I to the power 4n plus 3 so I to the power 4n plus 3 means I to the power 4n into I cube so I cube this is 1 into I cube equal minus I नहीं देखो so how to find the value of I to the power any number first you have to divide by 4 तुम्हें संख्याटा कौन करियो 4 रे डिवाइड करियो 4 रे डिवाइड कला पर रिमाइंडरटा केते आछे देखियो नहीं फॉर एग्जांपल I to the 23 रहला तो I to the 23 रो वैल्यू कोन होबो ना तुम एटा को 4 रे डिवाइड करियो तो 4 रे डिवाइड करले दिस इज I to the 4 into 5 plus 3 आसियो ना कि 23 तो तुम फास्ट 4 रे डिवाइड करियो सो 4 डिवाइड करले एटा कोन होची 4 into 5 plus 3 हला and this is I to the 4 into 5 into I cube 4 into 5 means I to the 4 power 5 hela into I cube means this is minus I and 1 power 5 1 and this is equal to minus I suppose I to the power 27 रहला तो I to the 27 तुम्हें 4 डिवाइड करी लिखे सब बोले ना नहीं तो 4 डिवाइड कले कौन होची I to the 4 into 6 4 6 जा केता आछो 24 plus 3 अब 24 plus 3 like that I to the 4 into 6 into I cube and this is I to the 4 to the power 6 into I cube and this is 1 power 6 into I cube equal minus I and this is also minus I this is also minus I next I to the power suppose I to the power minus 19 dala so I to the power minus 19 means here 1 by I to the power 19 देखो नेगेटिव पावर अच्छे 1 by I to the power 19 so 1 by I to the power 19 means 1 by I to the power 4 into 4 4 is 6 plus 13 16 plus 3 है ना कि so एटा हमर कोन होबो ना I to the power 4 into I cube so this is 1 so 1 by 1 into I cube means this is -1 तो -1 तो 1 by minus I है 1 by minus I is a imaginary number but 1 by minus I is not an imaginary number so to express imaginary number first you multiply I and this is minus I into I by I square है minus I square and this is I into I square means -1 and this is minus I so 1 by I to the 19 equal to minus I because I by I square minus I square and this is minus so I by -1 and this is minus I okay so I square equal to -1 so -1 into minus I है ना so this is I square means -1 into -1 so this is 1 because minus of -1 that means this is I so 1 by I to the power 19 equal to I so I रो पावरटा जेते रहिले भी तमे कोन करियो ताको 4 रे डिवाइड करियो 4 रे डिवाइड कला पर रिमाइंडरटा केते होछ देखियो यदि रिमाइंडरटा 3 if remainder is 0 then it must be 1 होबो if remainder is 1 then this is I if remainder is 2 then this will be -1 if remainder is 3 then this is minus I okay तेनो रिमाइंडरटा को देखि आमे डायरेक्ट वैल्यू आमे लिख पारिया जदि रिमाइंडरटा 3 आसियो so its value is minus I remainder 2 आसियो its value is -1 like that तेनो I रो पावरटा जते रहिले भी तमे ताको वैल्यूला बाहर करिया गोले फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डिवाइड 4 डिवाइड करी रिमाइंडरटा देखि तमे लिखि पारियो ओके नेक्स्ट I to the power -101 So I to the power minus 101 means this is the negative power of I. So 1 by I to the power 101. तो 101 अच्छी 101 तुम कौन 4 डिवाइड करियो ना 4 डिवाइड कले कौन आसियो 4 into 25 plus 1 आसियो नहीं कि so this is I to the power 4 into 25 means 1 एटा केते आसियो रिमाइंडर 1 होला तो I to the power आम एमती लिखी हम 4 into 25 into I to the power 1 and this is 1 by 1 into I है तो 1 by I equal to 1 into I by I into I multiply करियो so I by I square so I by minus 1 and this is minus I okay so next I to the power minus 205 so I to the minus 205 means 1 by I to the power 205 and this is I to the power 4 into 50 4 into 50 means 51 plus 1 होबो ना कि I to the power 4 into 51 plus 1 so this is also I to the power 1 रहला remainder 1 तो remainder 1 means I होबो remainder 1 means देखो remainder 1 रहला ना remainder 1 रहला कोन होबो I होबो तो 1 by I means 1 into I by I into I so this is I by I square minus 1 this is also minus I okay next so that I to the power 19 plus 1 by I to the power 25 whole square equal to minus 4 so how can you prove this one is a minus 4 first we take the LHS part I to the power 19 so I to the power 19 plus 1 by I to the power 25 whole square okay so I to the power 19 this is I to the power 19 plus 1 by I to the power 25 1 by I whole 25 means 1 to the power 25 by I to the power 25 whole square but I to the power 20 I to the power 19 means तुम कौन करियो 4 डिवाइड करियो 4 डिवाइड कले कौन होची 4 4 16 ये 3 रहला रिमाइंडर केते 3 होबो तो रिमाइंडर टा 3 मींस IQ मींस कौन होबो माइनस I हला प्लस 1 बाय एटी कौन होबो 25 को 4 डिवाइड करियो तो 4 केते आसियो 4 6 24 रिमाइंडर 1 होबो रिमाइंडर 1 हले कौन होबो I होबो रो स्क्वायर अच्छा तो दिस इज माइनस I into 1 by I means I by I square हला I मल्टीप्लाई करली I by I square हला रो होल स्क्वायर and this is minus I square means minus 1 तो I by I square तो minus I रो होल स्क्वायर and this is minus 2I रो होल स्क्वायर तो minus 2I रो होल स्क्वायर means this is 4 into I square 4 into I square means minus 1 and this is minus 4 so this is minus 4 okay तो minus I plus I by I square 1 by I square नहीं कि अच्छा minus I plus I by I square एडी हमें कौन कले जे एडी I multiply कले डिनोमिनेटर I multiply कले that is I by I square but I square equal to minus 1 तो minus 1 I by minus 1 this is the minus I okay next number 2 LHS part I to the power n plus I to the power n plus 1 plus I to the power n plus 2 plus I to the power n plus 3 अच्छा I to the power n now taking common I to the power n तो I to the power n common ले कौन रहती 1 रहला plus I रहला plus I square plus IQ होला so I to the power n into 1 plus I square means minus 1 IQ means minus I plus I minus I cancel plus I minus 1 cancel so I to the power n into 0 I to the power n into 0 this is also 0 okay next number 1, so that 1 minus I to the power n into 1 minus I to the power 1 minus 1 by I to the power n equal to 2 to the power n. Okay. So, how to prove this one? First we take the LHS part. Answer 1. 1 minus I to the power n into 1 minus 1 by I to the power n. 1 minus I to the power n into 1 minus 1 by y. तो 1 by I means what? देखो ये I multiply करा हो ये कौन होचे I square है to the power n. This is 1 minus I to the power n into I square means कौन -1 ये minus plus है तो 1 plus I to the power n है. तो 1 minus I to the power n into 1 plus I to the power n means 1 minus I into 1 plus I whole to the power n है. Now multiplying this one 1 plus I minus I square to the power n. Okay, plus I minus 1 cancel. So I square means 1 minus 1 and this is 1 minus I square means minus 1. So minus or minus 1 means plus 1 to the power n. This is 2 to the power n. Okay. Next number 2, answer 2. I to the power LHS टा कौन करा हो LHS देखो I to the power 592 अच्छी 590 अच्छी 588 अच्छी 586 अच्छी 584 अच्छी आम ये 4 रे डिवाइड करी रिमाइंडर टा केते आसीबो ताको धरी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करले हबो और यू कैन टेक अनदर वे आल्सो देखो ये 592 अच्छी 90 अच्छी 80 अच्छी 86 अच्छी 84 अच्छी तो द लोएस्ट पावर इज 584 तो आम कौन करिया 5 to the 84 टा में कॉमन नेबा. सो फास्ट वी राइट द LHS पार्ट एटा पावरटा कोन अछि जे डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर अछि ना कि हम आपको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखिया असेंडिंग. सो I to the power 584 plus I to the power 586 plus I to the power 588 plus I to the power 590 plus I to the power 592 whole by 8 भी ascending order लिखिए हमें नहीं कि so I to the power 574 plus I to the power 576 plus 5 to the power 578 plus I to the power 580 plus I to the power 582 है तो ascending order अच्छी आम आपको डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर लिखले सानुरूप ऑर्डर लिखले 85 I to the power 584 टा कॉमन हेले एडी कोन हम I पावर 1 हला प्लस एडी कोन हम I स्क्वायर हम नै कि काहे 84 जाई छी ना 586 मींस यू कैन एक्सप्रेस 584 plus 2 तो I स्क्वायर हला प्लस एटा केते I to the power कोन हम 4 हम प्लस I to the power कोन अछि 90 अछि तो 90 अछि मींस आदर 2 ऐड हम 2 ले 6 हला प्लस I to the power plus I to the power 8 I to the power 8 अब नहीं बोल भाई एडी लोएस्ट पार्ट कॉमन नबो I to the power 574 तो 2 लिखा लेस हो जाउछ ना अच्छा 1 हला एडा I स्क्वायर हला देन I फोर्थ हबो देन I सिक्स्थ हबो देन I to the power 8 हबो I to the power 80 हबो नहीं कि अच्छा यार वैल्यूडा या वैल्यू संख्या कोन होची सेम रहला तो कैंसिल हला. So I to the power 584 minus 574. So I to the power 584 minus 574 and this is I to the power ये 4 minus 4 0 8 minus 7 1 हला. So this is 10 हला I to the power 10. So I to the power 10 means 4 into 2 plus 2 हबो ना कि 2 रे डिवाइड 4 रे डिवाइड करियो ना 4 डिवाइड कले कोन होची 4 to the 8 2 roila remainder 2 hela. So I square means this is minus 1. Okay, next 1 plus I to the power 4 into 1 plus I to the power 4 equal to 16. So here take the LHS part number 3 number ta dekho. So LHS part eta 1 plus I to the power 4 plus 1 plus I to the power 4 है. So ये कौन करा 1 plus I to the power 4 अच्छा 1 plus I means ये आई मल्टीप्लाई कर दियो 1 प्लस आई बाई आई स्क्वायर है टू द पावर 4 है सो 1 प्लस आई टू द पावर 4 इंटू आई स्क्वायर मीन्स -1 एंड दिस इज 1 माइनस आई टू द पावर 4 है नाउ 1 प्लस आई इंटू 1 माइनस आई होल पावर 4 है now multiplying this one 1 minus I एटा प्लस आई माइनस आई स्क्वायर होल पावर 4 है तो -1 माइनस आई प्लस आई कैंसल आई स्क्वायर मीन्स व्हाट -1 तो -1 -1 मीन्स 1 तो 1 प्लस 1 2 2 to 4 equal to 16 so its value is 16 okay so in this way you have to find the value of imaginary number तेणु आई पावरटा जिते रही भी तुम कौन कर 4 डिवाइड कर 4 डिवाइड कले जब रिमाइंडरटा 0 हो डायरेक्ट भैल्यू पकेब 1 रिमाइंडरटा 1 हेले आई हम रिमाइंडरटा 2 हेले -1 रिमाइंडरटा 3 हेले माइनस आई ओके नेक्स्ट imaginary number so imagine number I is called imaginary number I is called imaginary number any multiple of I is also called imaginary number any multiple I also called is also called any multiple of I are also called imaginary number okay that is 2i 3i minus 5i root 2i minus root 7i etc these are all are imaginary number next complex number so what is complex number so complex number means first you take a real number then we take an imagined number then you add this imagined number and a real number so addition of a real number and imagined number is called complex number okay and this complex number is denoted by small z so z equal to a plus ib z equal to a plus ib a is called real number ib is called imagined number sum of real number and imagined number is called a complex number okay sum of real and imaginary number is called complex number okay do you understand what do you mean by complex number what is complex number sum of real and imagined number is called complex number it is denoted by small z where z equal to a plus ib here a is called real part of z and b is called imaginary part of z a is called real part of z and b is called imaginary part of z so z equal to a plus ib जदि complex number हम एटा को आम कहबा रियल नंबर ib टा होची इमेजिन नंबर कहबा also a is called real part of z and b is called imagined part of z that is a is real part we write in this way real part of z equal to a and imaginary imagine part of z equal to b. Okay, imagine part of z equal to b. So if a equal to 0, if a equal to 0, then z equal to ib. So z equal to ib means which is a purely imaginary number. So every imaginary number is called a complex number. If b is equal to 0, then z equal to a. So z equal to a, this is also a complex number. So every real number, a is the real number na. So every real number is also complex number. Okay. So if a real part of z, that is real part of z, that is a equal to 0, then z equal to ib, z equal to ib, and which is called purely imaginary, which is called purely imaginary number. Imaginary number. Okay. So if a complex number, if real part is 0, then z equal to ib, which is a purely imaginary number. So purely imaginary number is also known as a complex number whose real part is 0. If imaginary part of z equal to 0, that is b is equal to 0, then what happen? Then z equal to a, which is purely real, which is purely real. So when a complex number is purely real, if imaginary part of z equal to 0. So imaginary part जदि 0 हम b टा 0 हम तो z टा कौन हम a है a टा कौन हम a real number. So every real number is a complex number. Every imaginary number is also a complex number, but every complex number is not a real number. Okay. So every real numbers are complex numbers. But converse is not true. Every complex number is not a real number, but its converse is not true. Its converse is not true. Every complex number are not real number. Okay. Every imaginary number is also complex number. Okay. So example of the complex number, example 2 or 2 plus I, minus 3 plus 5i, root 7 minus 2i, minus I plus 7i, 3 minus 2i, okay, etc. These are the example of the complex number. Here these are the complex number whose real part is 2 and imaginary part is 1. देखो here a equal to 2 but b equal to 1, b I, तो I अच्छे b टा कहते हैं 1, real part is 2, imaginary part is 1. Here real part 3, imaginary part 5. Here a होची root 7, b होची minus root 2. Here a होची a, so this is minus 1. Here a is minus 1 and b is 7. Real part होची minus 1, b होची imaginary part 7. 3. Here real part is 3, imaginary part is 0. Here real part 0, imaginary part is minus 2, or you take 0. So 0 is also complex number because 0 can be expressed 0 plus 0i. 0 टा हम लिख पारे ना, 0 plus 0i लिख पारे ना. तो real part is 0, imaginary part of 0. So each real number is a complex number whose imaginary part is 0. Every imaginary number is also complex number, its real part is 0. देखो एटा गोटे complex number हम आर आगे किसी ना माने 0 अच्छी ना 0 minus 5 आम लिखि पारिया. तो imaginary number टा गोटे complex number जार की real part टा 0 हम, real number टा गोटे complex number जार की imaginary part टा 0 हम. Okay. And the set of all the complex number, set of all the set of all these number z equal to a plus ib, that set is known as a set of a complex number. Collection of all imagined number is called set of a complex number. Okay. Collection of, now we write these things, collection of all imaginary numbers, collection of all complex numbers, all complex numbers is called set of complex numbers. All complex numbers is called set of complex number, and it is denoted by, capital C, where capital C collection of the complex number z, small z, where z equal to a plus ib, z equal to a plus ib, a belongs to r and b belongs to r. A is a real number, b is a real number, but ib is called imaginary number. Ib is called imaginary number. Okay. Then collection of all the complex number is known as complex number set, set of complex number, and it is denoted by capital C, where C equal to collection of z, such that z equal to a plus ib, a belongs to r and b belongs to r. Okay. So z equal to a plus ib is a complex number whose real part is a and imaginary part is b. If real part is 0, real part z is 0, then z is purely imaginary, and if b is 0, then z is purely real. So purely real means jarigi imaginary part 0 hobo, purely real koithile imaginary part jarigi 0. Okay. Note, there is no order relation in complex number. So in a complex number, which one is greater and which one is less number, we cannot determine, because there is no order relation. For example, 1 plus 3i is greater than 2 plus 5i. This is false. 1 plus 3i less than 2 plus 5i. This is also false. 1 plus 3i equal to 2 plus 5i. 2 plus 5i. This is also false. But 1 plus 3i equal to 1 plus 3i. 1 plus 3i equal to 1 plus 3i. But 1 plus 3i equal to 2 plus 5i. This is a false. Why it is a false? Two complex numbers are said to be equal. They have the same real part and the same imaginary part. So दीटा complex number हमें equal कहबा, दीटा अगर real part टा same थिबो, imaginary part टा same थिले, then that complex number is called equality of that complex number. Okay. So 1 plus 3i greater than 2 plus 5i false hobo. 1 plus 3i less than 2 plus 5i false hobo, because there is no order relation. 3i is greater than 5i or 3i less than 5i, this is also false. Kichi order relation asiba 9. Okay. Next, algebra of a complex number. Next we do algebra of complex number. Algebra of a complex number. Algebra means how can you find the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and the reciprocal of the complex number. First देखिए addition. Number 1, addition. Okay, addition. Let z1 equal to a plus ib be a complex number and z2 c plus id are two complex numbers. Are two complex numbers. Then z1 plus z2 equal to a plus ib plus c plus id. So a plus ib plus c plus id, you can simple added real को real and imaginary को imaginary. This is a plus c plus ib plus id, and this is a plus c plus I into b plus d. Okay, so a plus c, sum of two real number is again a real number. So a plus c is again a real number, b plus d is again a real number. A real number सहित I multiply कराइছি, means this part is called imaginary number and this is called real number. So sum of two complex number is again a complex number. तेणु दुईटा complex number टा ऐड कला बेले तुम simple ऐड करियो, real part को real ऐड कर दबो, imaginary part को imaginary रे ऐड कर दबो. सेमती z1 minus z2 subtraction, z1 minus z2 equal to a plus ib minus c plus id. So a plus ib minus c plus id means you have to a plus ib minus c minus id, and this is a minus c plus I into b minus d. So this is also again of the form a plus ib form, and subtraction of two complex number is also again a complex number. Now this is the addition and this is the subtraction. You know z1 plus z2 is also z2 plus z1. So addition of two complex number is a commutative, it is also associative. For every complex number z, now z plus 0 equal to 0 plus z है जे कौन complex number सहित आम जदि 0 टा ऐड करिया, you will get z plus 0 equal to 0 plus z equal to z. So 0 is the additive identity of the complex number. Z minus or plus of minus z equal to 0. So minus z is additive inverse of complex number z. Okay, these are the properties of addition of the complex number. Addition of two complex number is commutative. It is also associative for three complex number. z1 plus z2 plus z3 equal to z1 plus z2 plus z3. 0 is the additive identity of a complex number. Minus z is the additive inverse of the complex number. Okay, but z1 minus z2 is not equal to z2 minus z1, because you know a minus b is not equal to b minus a. No. So subtraction of two complex number is not commutative, whereas addition of two complex number is a commutative. Multiplication. Okay, how to find the multiplication of two complex number? Let z1 equal to a plus ib and z2 equal to c plus id are two complex numbers. Complex numbers z1 into z2, a plus ib into c plus id. So this is a into c plus id. Now multiply ac plus aid, that is iad plus ibc plus I square bd. You multiply simply, जेंदे आमे multiply करथलो सेमनी multiply करियो. This is ac plus iad plus ibc, but I square means what? Minus 1. So minus bd, I square means minus 1, and this is ac minus bd plus I into ad plus bc. Okay, this is again a complex number, this is again a real number, this is also a real number, but a real number so I multiply karaichi. So this is the imaginary number and this is the real number. Sum of real and imaginary number is known as a complex number. So multiplication of two complex number is also a complex number. Okay, for example, find 2 plus 3i into 1 minus I into 1 plus 2i. So how can you find? First you have to multiply these two complex number. देखा दीरा multiply आमे करबा ए दीरा complex number multiply करबा आंसर. So 2 plus 3i 2 minus I 2 minus 2I plus 3I minus 3I square whole into 1 plus 2I. Next 2 minus 2I plus 3I I square means minus 1 into minus कौन हो 3 है into 1 plus 2I. Next 3 plus 2 5 plus I into 1 plus 2I. Now again multiply this one. So 5 into 1 5 plus 10I 5 plus 10I plus I plus 2I square and this is 5 plus 11I because 10I plus I 11I I square means minus 1 minus 2 so 5 minus 2 this is 3 plus 11I. So here real part is 3 and imagined part is 11I. So multiplication of 3 complex number is again a complex number. Okay. Now division. Next we go to division. Z1 by Z2. So Z1 by Z2 equal to A plus IB by C plus ID. So A plus IB by C plus ID is not a complex number because complex number means you have to express A plus IB form, sum of real number and imagined number. In that case or in that stage you cannot say what is the real part and what is the imaginary part. Okay. So first you have to convert A plus IB form आपको complex number form transfer करिया बोले कौन करिया पड़ियो ना we multiply C minus ID in numerator and denominator. So denominator जैसे C plus ID अच्छी यार conjugate टा कौन करियो C plus ID रा conjugate टा तो मैं numerator multiply करियो denominator multiply करियो in order to get a complex number. Okay. So here A plus IB into C minus ID तो जो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर टा डिवीजन फॉर्म थी ताको फास्ट रेशनलाइजेशन करिया पड़ियो बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग कंजुगेट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर इन न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू मेक A plus IB form or complex number form in the division of the complex number? So C plus ID into C minus ID. Okay. Now multiply simple AC minus I into AD plus I into BC minus I square BD whole by A plus B into A minus B. Use the formula C square minus I into D whole square. Okay. So this is SC minus IAD plus IBC I square means minus 1 so plus BD whole by C square I square means minus 1 D square I square I square कौन होची माइनस I square into D square है ना नहीं. So this is SC plus BD plus I into BC minus AD by C square plus D square and this is SC plus BD by C square plus D square. Okay. plus I times BC minus AD by C square plus D square. Okay. So this is a completely real number. SC plus BD by C square plus D square is a completely real number. Okay. And now this is SC plus BD by C square plus D square is again a real number. BC minus AD by C square plus D square is also a real number, but here multiply I, that means this number is imagined number and this is the real number. So sum of real number and imagined number is a complex number. So Z1 by Z2 is also a complex number. That means division of two complex number is a complex number. So how to make division of a complex number into A plus IB form? First you have to multiply the denominator conjugate of a denominator in a numerator and a denominator. Denominator जो C plus ID अच्छी तार conjugate numerator denominator multiply करियो multiply कला पर एमती फॉर्म आनिबो आकु A plus IB form लिखियो. Okay. So this is the A plus IB form of division of the complex number. Okay, now we do one problem, that is so express 2 plus 3i by 3 plus 4i into complex number form. So 2 plus 3i by 3 plus 4i is a division of a two complex number. So how to express into complex number form, that is a plus ib form. A plus ib form is the general form of the complex number. Okay, answer. So 2 plus 3i by 3 plus 4i, first you have to multiply conjugate of a denominator in the numerator and the denominator. So 2 plus 3i into 3 minus 4i by 3 plus 4i into 3 minus 4i. Okay, and this is multiply this one, 2 3 is 6 minus 8i plus 9i minus 12i square. 12i square whole by 3 into 3 9, so that is the 3 to square minus 4i to square. So 6 minus 8i plus 9i plus i square means minus 1, so minus 12 into minus 1 plus 12 whole by 3 square 9, 4 square 16, I square means minus 1, and this is the 6 plus 12 18 plus I by 25 by 25. So 18 by 25 plus I into 1 by 25, which is a plus ib form, complex number form, which is a plus ib form. This is the general form of the complex number. Here real part is 18 by 25 and imagined part is 1 by 25. Okay, so in this way you have to convert the division of a two complex number into complex number form. Okay. So some question for yourself, homework. Number 1, express the following into a plus ib form, means you have to express the following into complex number form, 3 plus I by 1 minus I. Number 1, आपको rationalization करियो 1 plus I numerator or denominator multiply करियो, like that this example. Number 2, number 3. Okay. Second question है, find the least positive integer n for which 1 plus I by 1 minus I to the power n equal to 1. So 1 plus I by 1 minus I to the power n equal to 1, find the least positive integer. So first कौन करियो डी 1 plus I by 1 minus I को a plus ib फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करियो. a plus ib फॉर्म कन्वर्ट कला पर जो वैल्यूटा आसीबो तार पावरटा n अछि, तो फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर व्हिच इज लिस्ट, n रो को लिस्ट वैल्यू पाए एटा 1 हबो, से तुम देखिया पड़ियो. ओके, सेकंड क्वेश्चन आल्सो 2i by 1 plus I to the power n greater than 0 हबो, फॉर व्हिच वैल्यू ऑफ n it must be positive. So देखिया पड़ियो फर्स्ट रे you have to convert 2i by 1 plus I into a plus ib फॉर्म. फर्स्ट a plus ib फॉर्म को ट्रांसफर करियो. एटा गोटे इमेजिन नंबर आसीयो, एटा गोटे कोन आसीयो, एटा गोटे इमेजिन नंबर आसीयो, एटा भी इमेजिन नंबर आसीयो. से जो इमेजिन नंबर रहिला से इमेजिन पावर 10 अछि. सो n रो वैल्यूटा केट, फॉर व्हाट वैल्यू ऑफ n it must be a positive, then find out. Then third one is show that 1 plus I to the power 14, I to the power 18 plus I to the power 22 equal to minus 2, I to the power 18 plus 1 by I to the power 24 q equal to 0. First एटा को गोटे इमेजिन नंबर आसीयो एक्सप्रेस कले रो पावर q, तार पावरटा q नबो, बट गोटे कम्प्लेक्स नंबर आसीबो होल पावर q नबो नै कि 0 आसीयो. सेटा भी I to the power 77 plus I to the power 70 plus I to the power 87 plus I to the power 114, the whole q equal to minus 8. Okay, so you do this problem. In next class we do some other part, that is how to find the reciprocal of the complex number. Okay, then other thing in the next class we do. Okay, thank you.